Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best polishing paste is probably one of the most important steps in achieving a professional-looking finish on your epoxy resin projects. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of polishing pastes, exploring their different types, how to use them effectively, and what to look for when choosing the right one for your specific needs, ensuring your creations shine with a flawless, glossy surface. Number 5. Promise Epoxy 32-ounce Polish and Cleaner Kit. This kit is specially formulated for epoxy resin and high-gloss finishes. It's perfect for DIYers and home decor enthusiasts. It removes scratches and scuffs, bringing back the shine to your projects. Two leading epoxy brands have joined forces to create Promise Epoxy. They've combined their best formulas to become a leader in the home decor and art industries. You'll get the same great results with a fresh new look. This kit is ideal for polishing dull or scratched epoxy surfaces. It works great on countertops, tables, art projects, and more. It's compatible with cured epoxy resin and casting resin finishes. This 32-ounce kit includes both polish and cleaner. It allows you to remove stubborn scratches and scuffs. It will bring back the top shine to any piece of art you create. This advanced formula makes your job easy. It removes swirls, scratches, and other imperfections. Sand, buff, and clean to restore the glow to your artwork. Achieve a high-gloss finish, as if you've poured a new coat of epoxy. This kit saves you time and money. It's a fantastic way to revitalize your epoxy projects. Promise Epoxy is made in the USA with over 40 years of experience. They offer innovative, high-quality epoxy resin products. Their scientists are always working to perfect their formulas. What we like. This kit is designed to remove scratches and scuffs, restoring your epoxy projects to their original glory. It brings back the shine, making your work look brand new. If you're looking to save money and time by avoiding a new epoxy pour, you should consider this. What people say. Depending on what the project is, this will be the only step in finishing, or if the defect is larger, this is used after sanding. Product worked really well, in fact somewhat better than I had anticipated. I applied the polish and was surprised by the small amount of time and effort required to bring the sanded surface back to a high clear gloss look. Number 4. TechDiamondTools Diamond Lapping Paste Kit. This industrial-grade, oil-based compound ensures rapid and precise polishing. It's packed with 10% diamond powder for a smooth finish. This kit is perfect for various materials. Developed with a cutting-edge scientific formulation, this diamond paste delivers fast and efficient material removal. It's safe for high-permeability surfaces, ensuring a flawless mirror finish. Engineered for stropping, honing, and precision polishing, this high-strength paste utilizes a proprietary industrial formula. It works seamlessly with various tools, delivering a professional-grade finish. This industrial-grade formula is ideal for various applications, including watch crystal repair and knife sharpening. It removes scratches and imperfections, restoring clarity and brilliance. This compound works flawlessly on a wide range of materials, including glass, metal, and ceramics. Its scientifically proven performance makes it a top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With an oil-based consistency, this diamond paste is simple to apply. Its engineered formulation ensures smooth, controlled application and longer-lasting polishing sessions. Perfect for jewelers, watchmakers, and metalworkers, this industrial solution delivers high-gloss, professional finishes. It provides scientific precision for all your projects. What we like. This kit offers a range of grits for various polishing needs, from initial stock removal to a mirror finish. It is suitable for a wide array of materials, making it a versatile choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. If you have projects involving different materials like metal, glass, or resin, this is the one for you. What people say. I started with the 1050 grit and a Dremel with buffing attachment to make quick work of cleaning up the physical blemishes and matching the rest of the area. I used a Dremel tool with the polishing wheel and worked up to the high grit, applying moderate pressure in small circular patterns. Works well for final polish on edge of granite tile. I used a Dremel mototool with felt buffing cylinders to finish exposed cut edges of black granite floor tile. Number 3. TechDiamondTools Diamond Polishing Compound. This industrial-grade, oil-based compound ensures rapid and precise polishing. It contains 25% diamond powder for a scientific mirror finish on various materials. Developed with a cutting-edge scientific formulation, this diamond paste delivers fast cutting and efficient material removal. It's safe for high-permeability surfaces, ensuring a flawless mirror finish. Engineered for stropping, honing, and precision polishing, this compound utilizes a proprietary industrial formula. It works seamlessly with various tools, delivering a professional-grade finish. This industrial-grade formula is ideal for various applications, including watch crystal repair and knife sharpening. It removes scratches and imperfections, restoring clarity and brilliance. The compound works flawlessly on a wide range of materials, including glass, metal, and ceramics. Its scientifically proven performance makes it a top choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With an oil-based consistency, the diamond paste is simple to apply. Its formulation ensures smooth, controlled application and longer-lasting polishing sessions. Perfect for jewelers, watchmakers, and metalworkers, this industrial solution delivers high-gloss, professional finishes. It provides scientific precision for various projects. What we like. With its ultra-fine grit and high diamond concentration, this paste is perfect for achieving a flawless, mirror-like finish. It is designed for precision polishing on various materials, ensuring a professional result. If you like to achieve the ultimate shine and clarity on your projects, then you should consider this. What people say. It took 20 to 30 minutes of polishing and the scratch was down to 1 mm size. The clarity of the glass now appears perfect, no scratches from the polisher, perfect translucency, scratch removed. I started with 600, then 1,500, 3,000, and finally 5,000 grit. The results were amazing. I took a best guess and ordered the 4,000 grit 2 to 4 micron product. I heated the tube for 10 seconds in microwave, put a small amount on a microfiber cloth, and polished rapidly in circles over the affected area. 5 minutes later, the glass was shiny and smooth again. I could not believe how rapidly and effectively this solved the problem. While driving, I could barely see where the scratches were. I would say it was a 95% fix. Number 2. Autoglym SRP 500 US Super Resin Polish, 16.9 ounces. This product is an ultimate solution for cleaning, polishing, and sealing. It helps to keep your car looking its best. This product will make your car shine. It effectively removes any surface contaminants. This ensures a smooth and clean surface. It prepares the paint for the next steps. It creates a tough, glossy protective barrier. This barrier helps to protect the paint from the elements. It will keep your car looking great for longer. This product is extremely easy to apply and remove. You don't need to be a professional to use it. It is designed for ease of use. It is ideal for all paint types and colors. No matter what color your car is, it will work. It is a versatile product. What we like. This product is a one-stop solution for cleaning, polishing, and sealing, simplifying your detailing process. It is incredibly easy to apply and remove, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution to maintain and protect your paintwork, you should consider this. What people say. Easy to use and the results are better than anything I've used recently. Used on a motorcycle and it took all the water marks out of the paint on the tank. Used on a car and took all the water spots out of the trunk. It goes on so easy. Wet your applicator sponge a bit, apply the polish to it and it glides on like thin creamy butter. A little goes a long way. The best feature for this polish is in the dreaded taking it off stage. None of that dread with this product. This stuff wipes off very easily and leave a slippery shining surface on all the vehicles that I've used it on. Number 1. Premium Resin Polishing Kit for High Gloss Finishes. This professional kit is designed to bring your epoxy projects back to life. It will restore the surface to a high gloss finish, making it look brand new. The kit effectively removes scratches and imperfections. It will make your project surface have a mirror-like luster. This kit is specially designed for epoxy project counters. It works well with marble, metal, glass, stone, ceramic, or wood surfaces. The package includes 50 g of polishing compound and 100 ml of liquid smooth cleaner. It has everything you need to get the job done. The formula is completely free of odors and volatiles. It is safe to use and won't cause any harm. What we like. This kit is specifically designed to restore your epoxy project surfaces to a high gloss finish. It effectively removes scratches, bringing back the original luster. If you are working with epoxy projects and want a safe and effective solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This one worked amazing, gloss again like brand new. I picked this kit up to put more of a better finish on 3D printed resin projects. Polishing worked well, takes a few goes but does what it's supposed to. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.